10 crucial things you need to know before buying a condo in Chicago. Let's get started. Obviously, the HOA fee. You need to understand the HOA fees and what they cover. These fees can impact your budget and lifestyle. Number two, reserves and capital expenditures. Check the HOA's reserves and upcoming capital expenditures, or CAPX. This gives you insight into financial stability and potential future costs. Number three, maintenance issues. Inspect the roof's age and maintenance records. Waterproofing is crucial, especially for garden units and duplex downs. Number four, parking. Know if your parking is assigned or owned. There's a difference. And this availability and your convenience can affect your daily life and resale value. Number five, soundproofing and building type. Ask what the soundproofing is between the floors and understand the building's construction materials for energy efficiency, noise levels, and longevity. Number six, rental and short term rental policies. Review rental policies and any restrictions on short term rentals like Airbnb. It's essential if you plan to rent out your condo. Make sure it's even allowed. Number seven, know about your common areas and storage. Sometimes people don't even know they have storage. Number eight, management of snow removal. If you don't ask, you may be responsible for snow removal in your home, and you don't want that during the winter. Number nine, the financial stability of the HOA. Have dues increased recently? Knowing this can help gauge the HOA's financial health. Number 10, finally, inquire about any ongoing lawsuits or major repairs. This is your investment. And those are my 10 tips for being a condo owner. You need to be aware of these factors, and they can make a world of difference when finding your perfect home.